morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and today's shout out goes to Bean Sauce. Bean Sauce was the first to say first in one of my recent videos, and thus wins this shout out, so congratulations. Good afternoon, Quadcopter 101 here, and welcome to beautiful Waynard Park for another flight of the BETAFPV Meteor75 Pro P1. I'm really enjoying this drone, folks. I really am. That's why we're flying it again. So, hope you enjoy this flight. Okay, let me make sure I'm recording first. Pressing record. And let me see here. Arming. We are armed. In our angle mode, putting it in air mode. And let's go for a flight, folks. Away we go. Now, the thing about this park is they got this amphitheater here, which is pretty cool, I gotta admit. But let's go around. And let's pick up some speed here. There is a bit of a breeze. We're flying, we're fighting, going that way. Going through the trees. Let's take a ride around the park just to see it, to show it to you folks. Yeah, this is Waynard Park near, what is this, Washington Township, Pennsylvania, is where we're located flying this today. And let's go up high first, and I'm going to show you the area here in Washington Township. Beautiful view, huh? From this little drone. Okay. Oh boy, here comes the wind. Now, one thing I wasn't counting on is the wind here today, folks. There is a breeze. Let's just go down through here. Whee! Whee! Coming around the bend there. Now, one thing about this, when I'm noticing on the screen here, let me talk about these goggles, that when I do start getting low or getting reception that's getting a bit iffy, your screen, your goggles, they start to blink red along the outer edge. So that's what it was doing there for a second here. So they do blink a bit. But right now I got good reception. Let's go over this way. Coming around that way, through here. I can't see through there because it's a little too dark. My old eyes. But just skimming the area around Waynard Park. Beautiful Waynard Park. Let's go play around down here. Now, I'm not doing any freestyling today, folks. I'm just cruising. Just cruising. Because it's blinking right now because I'm down low. That's why. That hill, when it goes down in that hill, it gets iffy. Whee! It did go through that time. What if that showed up on my camera? Okay, up here on the hill, on top of the hill, I got good reception. But yeah, for those of you interested in getting into FPV and this kit is cat's meow. It really is nice. I gotta admit, I am impressed with the BETA75, the setup, and what you get with this. You know, I'm used to flying analog with the old scratchy goggles. This is much better. Actually, this is my first digital, HD FPV goggles and transmitter that I've ever flown, folks. Okay, you know, I'm used to just flying those old analogs, and this was nice. Okay, I'm getting low battery, so we're going to call it quits here shortly. Coming in. And where am I going to land this thing today? I was land over near where I took off from. So pull it back a bit, pull it back a bit. But yeah, this is a nice little drone, folks, I gotta admit. Let me turn it around and get it toward me. Call it there. So the BETAFPV, or yeah, Beta FPV. Let me turn it off here. Disconnect. This drone, the Beta75 Micro or Beta FPV Micro 75 Pro P1. This is the kit for beginners, folks. I really like it. It comes with everything you need, ready to go out of the box. You can't ask for more, and the picture quality is spectacular. So, hope you enjoyed this flight. Quadcopter 101, signing out.